In this example, I have a cube set up with an existing animation that includes movement, scale, and rotation. Real quickly, let's look in the KFE and look. We have rotation, movement, and scale tracks, and we have independent keyframes for each. Let's rewind this and let's look at the function curves for each. Under rotate, there's the X, Y, and Z axis rotations. Under move, we have also the X, Y, and Z axis moves. Same under scale. Scale will look very similar because we scaled uniformly in all three directions. But let's say that our scale in the Y direction we want to reduce. We can left click and drag to reduce the value, the scale value in Y. But let's say in X we want to exaggerate that. We can left click and drag upward to change that value also. How does this affect our animation? Alright, now let's say that on our rotations we actually wanted front to end up being in front. We can left click and drag on our final value for the Z rotation and move it down very close to the value that we want. Let's play this back and see if front doesn't end up facing to our lower right again. Interesting. It didn't. What we failed to do is take into account the rotations on the other axis that will all affect the final outcome. What we will do is drag that keyframe down to approximately 180 or negative 180. Either way, they mean the same thing. We can right click and go to the properties panel, and we can actually put in the 180 to make it exact. And now if we play back our animation, we will see that the blue face with the front printed on it will now face the direction we want. Very simple.